You can fix your toddler mornings in just 7 days. What if your toddler mornings could feel calmer and easier in just 7 days without yelling, rushing, or feeling overwhelmed every single morning? Right now, your mornings might feel chaotic, unpredictable, and stressful, especially when your toddler resists every step and slows everything down. But it doesn't have to stay that way, because small changes to your routine can quickly create calmer, more structured mornings for both you and your toddler. Toddlers respond quickly to structure when it's simple and consistent, which means you can start seeing changes faster than you might expect. In just a few days, you can begin building a predictable routine that helps your toddler understand what's coming next and feel more in control. As the days go on, resistance starts to decrease, and your toddler becomes more cooperative during each part of the morning routine. By the end of the week, mornings can feel calmer, smoother, and much easier to manage without constant stress or repeating yourself over and over. That's exactly what the 7-day reset is designed to help you do, step by step, so you can finally enjoy calmer mornings. Link below.